What's up?
All right, everybody. It came. It's that time. Let's go fix it. You're pointing at the front of the car, not the top. You know what the hood's going to open at, right? Above GMC? Okay. Did you get it? Say action. Make sure we're safe. It's warm in here. Okay, look, this is where we're going to be changing out. This is the mass flow air sensor right here. We got the new one in the box. Booyah. But the most important thing is we got to get this whole piece off. You want to zoom in there? Now, what shape do you see? Yeah, you. Look right here. There's little stars.
Yeah, some stars.
Little stars, all right? So I got to get that off. Back up so you don't get too hot.
Whoa.
Here's the old one. We tried cleaning it, but as you saw in the video, it kept going off. Let's put a new one in. Again, this is saving way more money than going to the dealership because they charge about $110 just to do the diagnostic. When this piece itself only cost me about $80, $90 at the most. Brand new. Everything's in the same place. Yes, holes on this side. So I'm gonna put it in first. Go put the screws back in, and then I will clip it back on. The car is hot. It's made of metal. It's sitting in the garage. One more screw, and then I'll tighten it all the way. Tighten it slowly because I don't want nothing to pop. And this is such a little plastic piece. Then we'll put this clip in. One, two, and that's that. We'll clean up and then go for a test drive. And we're in the car. Let's give her a start. That light went off really fast, which we like. Let's go for a little test drive. The throttle response seems like it's a little bit better. It's ready to go when I tap the pedal. I totally forgot my wallet at home, so let's not get pulled over. And go. That's with the air conditioner on. Turn around and do a lap with no air conditioner. See what the throttle's like. Let's do it right now. All right, let's give it some gas. No delays or anything. Just going. So hopefully this light don't come back on. Check the date when I get home. Hopefully we don't have to make another video about this. But quick fix. 2 screws, snap out, snap in, 2 screws, and done.